Welcome, welcome. I'm here with my project management brothers. Today, we're going to talk about a topic, and the topic is simply this: maintaining a positive attitude. I want to quote from a book that I have that was written by my buddy right here on the call. And the book is called The Magnetic Project Manager. And the question here about maintaining a positive mental attitude is some people don't want to be fixed because being broken gets them attention, by Brad Turnbull. What's the interpretation of that, Ed?
I think nobody wants to make the change because it requires something that most people don't want to do, which is called, watch this, Phil, commitment. Commitment means that you don't have a choice. It's a decision. There's a difference, meaning that a decision requires something of you more than what you was required to be. What does that mean? That means that right now I've made the decision to do this with you instead of making the choice. And that's all I could say.
So I need to be positively, mentally aligned to overcome setbacks. I need to consciously do it. So as opposed to just relying on some random thought to make you feel positive, pursue positivity is the lesson.